One of the best and most fulfilling things that you can ever do is serve. Ako po si Monching at ngayon po ay araw ng Miyerkules, March 4. Ikaw ba ay nalulungkot, walang magawa, walang gana, at naghahanap ng sense of purpose sa buhay? Well, pag may mga taong lumalapit sa akin na ganyan yung sinasabi, whether they feel lost or sad or depressed, the first thing that I would always suggest is to serve. Yes, serve. Napakarami pong paraan, napakarami pong taong pwedeng tulungan. For sure, hindi kayo mauubusan. Just go and sign up, volunteer sa mga outreach programs o kahit ano pang mga mabubuting kawang gawa. And more often than not, mararamdaman mo talaga agad na gumagaang yung pakiramdam mo, sumasaya ka, this deep feeling of purpose and satisfaction kapag nakakatulong ka sa iba, nakakagawa ka ng mabuti. Service is like a magic pill na nakaka-addict. It gives you healing without any bad side effect. Kaya naman napakaganda nung sinabi ni Jesus sa gospel ngayong araw na, just so the Son of Man did not come to be served, but to serve and to give His life as a ransom for many. Partida, si Jesus na yun ha. Tayo pa kaya? Kaya naman, kung nag-iisip ka ng paraan kung paano ka mag-serve sa Diyos o sa ibang tao, I have a very good suggestion for you. Serve in your church. Serve in your local parish. Serve anywhere, serve everywhere. Kung saan ka makakatulong, makaka-bless, kung saan ka masaya, makakakilala ng mga bagong tao, where you can feel God's presence more, kung saan ka makakakita ng sense of purpose, sky's the limit. Serve as much as you can. Shameless plugging. Kung ikaw po ay may kaibigan, kamag-anak o ikaw mismo nandito sa Canada, sa kahit saang sulok ng Canada, and you would want to serve the Lord and other people with us here at the feast, please shoot me a message. Okay? Message nyo lang ako and I will connect you to the nearest feast family sa kahit saang parte ng Canada. Alright, so to give you more context and to help you with your prayer time para mas maintindihan ninyo kung bakit ito yung kwento ko ngayong araw na ito, please click the link on the description and listen, reflect to the complete mass reading for today. Also, please share this video kung tingin ninyo na makaka-bless at makakatulong ito sa ibang tao. Meron ding chance na mag-comment kayo rito for any prayer intentions, and we would be more than willing and more than happy to be praying with you. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Magkita-kita po ulit tayo bukas at pagpalain po kayo lagi ng ating napakabuti at napakabait na Diyos.